All right, season's greetings. We're doing a vegan meal tonight, and what we're going to have tonight is udon noodles with tofurkey, sesame garlic, baked chicken, and I'm sauteing some vegetables. I got red onions in there right now. I'm going to add some carrots, celery, and cauliflower. And at the end, I'm going to stir in some baby spinach and a little raw coconut. And going to cook udon noodles for to put the. So I'll turn that on back there. And the spices I've got is some a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to dump that in right now and go on with the sauteing of the vegetables. And then it wants to come out. I should put it in there. Alright, I'm going to put this stuff in right away. And this will have to cook for a while as far as to at some point I might put just a little bit of water in here and cover it so that I tried to make them fairly small, but I wanted to not be totally crunchy. So sometimes I wish I had gas instead of electric, because it is easier to cook with as far as controlling your heat. Water is almost ready for the udon noodles, which I will put in. I've got, the sesame garlic tofurkey chicken ready to go, which I will put in here with the other sauteed vegetables. And I'm going to put a little bit of grated coconut, and also put this baby spinach in towards the end, because I just want it to be nice and a little wilted, but not mush. And then we will serve the noodles with sesame oil, and it's going to be good. Finished topping to our udon noodles, and after putting it on, we're going to put a few cashews on the top also.
Oh, I can't wait to start eating that.
It's pretty good. Just top it off with a few cashews. dig in. All right, here we go, sampling creative.
I'm gonna try to do this while I hold the phone. As no surprise, it came out excellent.
Anthony and I are involved in another thing also besides just food, which is we're recording another music video also. So we're going to be doing another Legend of Zelda title called
Ordon Village.
Ordon Village.
From Twilight Princess.
And so once again, it'll be it's for keyboards and ocarina. So that's coming soon.
We could put at least a couple of the links from the other ones in the description below if you guys are interested in that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
For sure. All right. All right. So then, I guess we're gonna eat this delicious meal, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.